Alright, good day. This is how to install Bims POS software on your smartphone, either iPhone or your Android phone. But I'm using iPhone right now, so it's just a slight difference that is between the iPhone, installing it on iPhone and Android. I'm going to do the one for Android separately, but I'm using iPhone. In case you are using iPhone, you can follow this video. If you are using Android as well, you can follow this video because it's almost like the same thing. So getting into it now, the first thing to do is to get this link, the login link to Bims software. So, and the link can be sent to you from our admin or from any of our partner. And the link is something like https, then you can see column, then 2/ at the top, then bims.fmitechsolution.com.ng/login. You can see it, right? So that is the this is the login. It can be sent to you on WhatsApp. You just need to click on it, or you copy it. You copy that link. So once you copy the link, you now navigate you now come to Chrome. This is Chrome right here. This is Chrome. I'm touching Chrome right here. You can see that is Chrome browser. You can see the logo of Chrome. This is Chrome right here. So on Chrome, you now navigate to the top, then you paste that link. Just copy and paste. Once you paste that link, it will take you straight to this login page. On your login page now, what you need to do to install it as a mobile app on your phone is, if you are on iPhone, just click on the top right corner. At the top right corner, you see one arrow, the one I just click right now. At the top right corner, this arrow that is facing up, then you are going to click on view more. You see this view more right here? Click on this view more. After clicking on the view more, what you need to do now is to click on once you click on that view more, you see something like add to home screen. Can you see it? Add to home screen. So click on add to home screen. Do you get it? Once you click on add to home screen, what you need to do, you can see it's saying open as web app. You make sure this one is on, open as web app. Do you get it? You can see an icon will be added to the home screen so you can quickly access this website. Do you get it now? So just make sure this one is on. Once it's on, then you can edit this particular aspect and change it to what can be maybe the name of your business with Bims right there. Do you get the point? So let me just clear everything right there. So then I can put Bims. Let's say the name of your software, the name of your business is FMI Tech Electronics, or FMI Tech Pharmacy, or FMI Tech stores or supermarket. Just put the name of your business in the front like that. You put Bims, then you put the and then you put FMI Tech in the plus. Once you've done that, then click out. Once you've done that, click out. So you can see the setup right there. It's very simple. Once you've done this, all what you need to do now is to click on the add button. So can you see what happened? Can you see that we now have Bims, this one right here? You can see this L right here. So anytime I want to log in to Bims software, now all I need to do is to just click on this particular one. Once I click on it, it will take me straight to that login page. I can now put my both username and password. You get it? It's open as an app right now. Can you see it? It open as an app right now. So once I have it like this, what you need to do now is you can now input your username right there. You can input your password here. You put your username and password. Once you put your username and password, then you click on login, and it will log in straight and direct. So this is how to log in this is how to install Bims software on your phone as a mobile application. So see you in the next video.